Good evening, everyone. You're welcome to EkoDeals.com, the site that offers you high quality products at great prices. This is the USB wall socket that has 3 ports to charge any mobile device. It can be a smartphone, a camera, a tablet, an MP3 player. Also, it can be connected to the wall at the back to a 220 volts main, 110 to 220 volts main. It's high quality and you don't need a charger head. You just plug directly to these 3 USB ports. Thank you for watching us today, and you can order this online at EkoDeals.com. Thank you.